Nothing in business is easy. Very few projects that you get in the real world are going to be easily solvable. At the end, this entire project was called a business challenge. And it was called a business challenge for a reason. Otherwise, you would call it business easy, right?
Our approach was to basically create a people finder. Basically, you can prompt your problem. The system is going to give you the answer you can talk to get more ideas, to get more information on the topic you're looking for.
So I was really surprised to see that our chatbot, even after 2 or 3 hours, was fully functioning.
Into a process that made so much sense for someone that, like me, had not much real technical experience.
I was working with a private equity company back in Colombia, focused on real estate. And we have a lot of documents. We have to set meetings with the investors and everything. So now with a bot, you just can ask the bot, like, when is our next meeting with the investors, and he's going to give you that. And
has been an honor to be a judge in this business challenge. I was on their shoes a couple of years ago, and now as a Hult alumni and representing Aparavi, I'm able to give back to the community, give back this knowledge that I gained on those years working here in the US, give advices for the students that want to start a career here in the US, the students that want to grow their career, or the students that want to open their business, go to the entrepreneurship side.
I'm really grateful that Aparavi came to partner up with us on this business challenge, because at the end, we expected students to deliver something meaningful, something impactful. Really is a win-win for both the students and for the company. It's a win for students because they get to experience that real world kind of not everything is easy. And for the company, because at the end, students will present many great ideas. They will present something creative and something different.
And that is where I think technology is going to be a big leverage of it. If we don't know how to properly use it, if we can't actually capitalize on all the insights and all the information that it gives us, kind of leaves us in the past.